guys, so today I'm preparing a stir fry, and here I already have ingredients pre-prepared. Here I have yellow peppers, red peppers, and chopped onions, broccoli, and bok choy. And also I'll be using some frozen vegetables. Okay, so I already have these ingredients prepared. What I'm going to do is I'm going to push this to the side, and I'm going to season the chicken. I already cleaned it. I washed it with vinegar and water, and I already sliced it like this. So this is pretty much how we're going to slice it. Okay, okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna use just a little bit of Vegeta, a little bit, just like that, not too much, and all-purpose Jamaican seasoning. There's no name on it because I got this from Jamaica. I do not measure my seasoning, but I think it's safe to say that it's probably about a tablespoon, but we're Jamaican, so we don't measure seasoning. This is all-purpose seasoning as well. So put a little bit in there. This is Caribbean spice with roasted garlic. So I'm gonna put just not too much. And I'm gonna put a little bit of yellow coloring as well. So not too much in there. And last but not least, some Grace browning. Maybe you have a different brand, which is totally fine. Now, I would usually add the peppers and all the seasoning, the chopped seasoning to this, the peppers, the onions, but I'm not going to do that this time because I find myself picking them off. I'm going to add just a little bit of paprika as well. So the stove is on. Usually I let this sit and soak in, but it's not necessary, so I won't do that today. I'm just gonna mix this all up. And I'm gonna give it a little taste. It's raw meat, but it's okay. A little taste. It's too salty or it needs more seasoning. In this case, it could do with a little bit more all-purpose seasoning. So I'm going to add that in there. Yep. As I said, I did not use too much Vegeta, so that's why it's probably a little bit not too salty, which is good. Yep. So that's it. This is what it looks like. Do you hear that one in the personal background? Okay, no, it's okay. So that's what it looks like, guys. Alright, so now the pot is ready, and I'm going to use extra virgin olive oil. I try my best to stay away from vegetable oil when like frying something as simple as this. Of course, I'll use it when I'm doing making fried chicken, but in this case I don't need too much oil, and for stir fry extra olive oil will do just fine. So I'm gonna let the oil heat up a little bit, or enough for it to fry the chicken, and then I'll add it to the pot once the oil is ready. Okay, so I think the pot is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and add the chicken. Okay, so the pot is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and just add the chicken to the pot. And I used chicken thighs, boneless thighs. You can use chicken breast as well, but I use the chicken thighs because that's what I have. So go ahead and here. You wait until it has a brown color, which means the chicken is cooked. And then we'll add all the peppers, the onions, the broccoli, and the bok choy. We'll add everything to it. We're gonna let it stay here probably for 5 minutes, and then I'll check it and flip it over, and then let the other side fry for another 5 minutes before adding everything else to the pot. And I have it on medium heat. You don't need it to be too high because you don't want the meat to become dark before it's actually cooked. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna flip it over, and if anything I can flip it back over on the other side. As I said, stir fry is very easy to make. Just gonna let that stay here. Yep. I'm gonna cover it again. Looking good, looking good. So the other side has been cooking for about 5 minutes, I would say. And I'm just gonna leave the cover off so the chicken can keep cooking and the water could dry out. All this juice is good juice. It's not oil at all. It's juice from the chicken, which we'll need for gravy. For the sauce. And the chicken is very tender already. I know. No, I did it and then I realized how it's so. Okay. So we're gonna leave this